Absolute Acoustics were contracted to install Sonaspray K13 in a Grade A office development in Windmill Lane, Dublin. One of many such installations Absolute Acoustics have completed in what's been humorously dubbed the Silicon Docks. We caught up with Quinton Crinigan, project manager with T&I Fit-Outs, one of Ireland's leading fit-out contractors, to ask him what it's like to work with Absolute Acoustics.
I suppose working with Neil and the guys, working with Absolute Acoustics on any project, I suppose it's always good because I know whatever day we have in program that we need to work to, the guys will always actually work those dates, and they'll always try and improve where they can. And generally speaking with Neil, that if he gives you a date, he kind of always sticks to it. Main reason I like using Sonaspray is because, especially when you get into an old building or a building like this where it's been a cut and carve job or it's a new build and half it's an old building, generally speaking, you know, the condition of the slab is probably not that good. In terms of where a lot of the clients in design now is going towards open ceilings and exposed surfaces, is that using Sonaspray is kind of a relief for us because it kind of hides a lot of deficiencies in the slabs, and it gives a kind of a blank canvas through. One thing I like with Neil especially is that, you know, he won't tell you we'll start next Monday and then it'll be 2 weeks time or a week's time to let you down. It's very hard to get kind of solid contractors or subcontractors nowadays on sites to kind of stick to what they commit to, you know. If you've got a program and you're trying to tie in program dates, the one thing you can be sure of is, you know, Absolute Acoustics, that whatever date they give you, they'll stick to you. They'll mask off, they'll install the product, and then they'll always clean down and they'll leave the place kind of clean after them as well. Absolute Acoustics have never let us down. I'll always kind of look forward to using them again in the future.